Premium IELTS Mastery Course. IELTS Speaking recently asked January to April 2025 new speaking topic. IELTS Speaking Part 2. Today's cue card is describe a place you have been to and would like to recommend others to live there. And it has to be not your hometown. You should say where it is, what the place is like, when you visited there, who you went there with, and explain why you would recommend this place to others. First, we'll see ideas and vocabulary for this cue card that you can use. You could talk about the place, a city, a town, or a picturesque countryside location. Picturesque, that means something which is pretty attractive. Its features: natural beauty, infrastructure, climate, amenities, or cultural diversity. When and why you visited. It could be your vacation, work trip, or a family visit. Recommendation: opportunities, lifestyle, or quality of living. Vocabulary: breathtaking views, scenery that is exceptionally beautiful, vibrant culture, lively and rich traditions or lifestyle, state-of-the-art infrastructure, modern and advanced facilities, peaceful ambience, calm and serene atmosphere, thriving community, a prosperous and active social environment. Idiomatic phrases: a slice of paradise. Paradise, that means heaven. A beautiful and tranquil place. Tranquil means peaceful. Ticks all the boxes. Fulfills all the criteria or expectations. A stone's throw away. Very close or easily accessible. The best of both worlds, combining two contrasting benefits. Stands out from the crowd, distinctive and unique. Let's see model answer, and we'll also analyze the language. Sometimes you come across a place that feels like a slice of paradise, and for me, the place is Shimla, situated in the foothills of the Himalayas. This charming hill station truly stands out from the crowd with its breathtaking views and serene ambience. Shimla is located in the northern part of India, in the state of Himachal Pradesh. It's a small city renowned for its colonial architecture, lush green landscapes, and cool climate, making it a perfect escape from the sweltering heat of the plains. Vocabulary: a slice of paradise. That means something which is a beautiful and peaceful place. Idiomatic phrase: stands out from the crowd. Breathtaking views, which is extremely beautiful. The Mall Road, Ridge, and Kufri are some of its most iconic spots, offering a mix of shopping, dining, and scenic beauty. I visited Shimla last summer with my family during a week-long vacation. We stayed in a quaint little cottage surrounded by pine trees, and every morning we were greeted by the sight of mist-covered chirping birds. A quaint: something that is attractive or unusual because it seems to belong to the past. The experience was nothing short of magical. What makes Shimla even more appealing is its vibrant culture and welcoming locals. The city ticks all the boxes when it comes to a quality lifestyle, excellent schools, healthcare facilities, and a peaceful ambience that is ideal for families and retirees alike. It's a place where you can enjoy the best of both worlds, the charm of a small town and the conveniences of modern living. I would recommend Shimla to anyone seeking a better quality of life or a peaceful place to settle down. Ticks all the boxes, reflects how Shimla meets various living criteria. The best of both worlds describes the blend of modernity and tranquility. It's an outstanding city of a natural beauty. Create a thriving environment where one can truly feel at home. Personally, I left with a heavy heart, but also with a dream to return someday and perhaps even make it my permanent residence. An outstanding city of a natural beauty, that means something which is exceptionally beautiful due to its natural surroundings. A heavy heart, a lot of sadness. That's the end of today's sample answer. You can also join Premium IELTS Mastery course if you want more sample answers like this. You'll get 600 plus Band 9 sample answers, which you've just watched now, like this, right? All you need to do is just simply download our application Arun IELTS Classes from the Play Store. If you have iPhone, you can download Class Plus application and it'll ask you to enter ORG code. And there you need to enter JZKVW. That's an ORG code that you need to enter there. To get a free PDF of this video, join our Telegram channel Arun IELTS Classes. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching this video and listening to Arun Vashisht.